All right, everybody, kit review time. I ordered this from HDA Model Works. It arrived Friday, June 21st. This is Monday, June 24th. I didn't have the time Friday or over the weekend to open this up and do a kit review. It's a long-awaited 2001 A Space Odyssey Space Station Orbital platform. Space Station 5 from the movie 2001 A Space Odyssey is very cool. Its scale is 1/2600 scale. I think it's about 13.5 inches in diameter once it's built. It's a heavy box. You can see here on the side there's some artwork of the space station. Same thing on this side. Part number. And looking forward down the road and building this kit. On this side of the box shows space station built. Looks pretty cool. It has a lot of detail. A little description of the space station right here on the side of the box. Really cool. And same kind of picture on this side of the box from Mobius. I'm going to go ahead, pause the camera, open this up, and take a look on the inside and do a kit review here. So let me go ahead and pause, and I'll be right back. Alright, got the box open. You open it up, the instructions are on the top. We'll get to look at that in a little bit. Here's all the parts. There's a little box damage in the corner here. Not worried about it as long as the parts inside are okay. You can see here, you got one bag, two, three. Got another bag. Probably all the same parts, not sure. I'll have to open them up and take a look. More parts here. A lot of parts to the space station. Here's the base. Looks pretty cool. So let me go ahead and pause again. Get some of these parts out on my display case here so everybody can take a good look at what you get. And I'll be right back. Okay, got some parts up on my display case. I'll have to just pause to go from parts to parts just to show everybody. Nice detail here. You can see. Very cool. See the windows right there. Jerry from HDA Model Works does have a mask set that you can pick up. I'll probably pick that up sometime, order it sometime this week. But very cool. See right there, the detail looks really cool. You got a lot of doubles in here, so I'm not gonna show all that. Just take a look at one tree here. Rest of them are all identical down there. I don't want to repeat showing all the same parts. It looks like the same with these here. They look all the same. Sorry about the lighting. You see the detail. Looks pretty cool. Very cool. I think this is the main part of the station. And you can see, let me flip it over there. You can see the detail and the windows. Very cool. I think I got every kit out there from Mobius when it comes to 2001. I just haven't gotten around to building any of the kits yet, but I had to add this base station to my collection. Very cool. You get with this, you get 4, so I think that completes the front of the space station. That's complete, and then the rear of it is under construction. So let me go ahead and pause and put some more parts up on my display case, and I'll be right back. Okay, some more parts here. Some of them are a little loose on the tree, which is alright. Nothing's broken. Just flip it over. All the details on this side. You can see here. Pretty cool. Fine detail parts right there. You gotta be careful with them. Some more windows there. This one's a little loose right here. You can see that. It's pretty cool. And then here, it looks like you've got you got 8 of the same trees in that bag there, so I'm not going to pull them all out. Let everybody take a look at this here. Pretty cool. Drop the part. Okay, let me pause. I'll be right back. Okay, that's the part that fell on the floor. Came loose from the tree. Looks like it goes to the inside of the space station. We'll look at the instructions here in a little bit. That's it with the kit. You get a lot of double, triple parts. You can see here. And looking forward to building this kit down the road. Just want to do a kit review and give everybody a look at this cool kit. I know Jerry at HDA Model Works, he still has them available and they're at a decent price. Let me go ahead and pause, clear this off my display case, and look at the instructions. I'll be right back. Alright, back on the instructions. Space station. Just like the artwork on the front of the box. from Mobius 1/2600 scale. Very cool. Open this up. Everybody take a look at the instructions. Here, front ring to front port spoke. Very cool. Then you got the front ring edges. Pretty cool. Like any kit, got a lot of parts. It's going to take time to build unless you got the time to burn, and you can do this 8 hours a day. You could probably get this done in a couple weeks. Me, it'll take a little longer than that. Instructions look pretty cool. Step by step. Very cool. Mobius always does a great job with their kits, with the detail instructions. There's the stand. Looks pretty cool. There it is when it's complete. Looks pretty cool. You could get the Orion, a little tiny plane for the front of it to add to the station. Painting. Let's see. Okay, windows are white. Light gray for the station. White for the little Orion there. There you go. That's what it looks like when it's complete. Looks pretty cool. Back side of it. Looking forward to building this down the road. Like I said, there's the other kits available. I have all those in my inventory, but never gotten around to building any of those yet. But I'm going to call this a wrap on the 2001 Space Odyssey Space Station 5. Looking forward to building this down the road. If you don't have it, pick it up. I think Jerry still has this available on his website, HDA Model Works. I'll put that in on the video here. Once again, like I said, I'll call this a wrap for this kit review on the 2001 Space Odyssey Space Station 5. Everybody be safe out there, and I'll call this a wrap and talk with everybody later.